Welcome to the world of gelish nail art. In this tutorial, we will be creating a matte and glossy mixed texture nail design. Complete your gelish nail prep. Apply a thin coat of Bella's Vampire, making sure to cap the free edge. Cure for 30 seconds in the 18G LED light. Repeat for full coverage. Cure for 30 seconds. Apply a thin coat of matte Top It Off to the entire nail. Cure for 30 seconds. With Nail Surface Cleanse and Wipe It Off lint-free wipes, cleanse the inhibition layer of the nail. With the mini striper brush, create diagonal lines with Top It Off sealer gel. Continue creating diagonal lines using the mini striper brush and Top It Off sealer gel. Finish the design by creating thin diagonal lines. Cure for 30 seconds. With Nail Surface Cleanse and Wipe It Off lint-free wipes, cleanse the inhibition layer of the nail. Massage NOURISH Cuticle Oil into the skin surrounding the nail plate. Your gelish nail is now complete. Subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this one.